reviewed one of these for UNice before. Just go and check back like some videos back. It's a free everything wig unit. This one actually came in a straight texture. However, I did go in and like wet this hair, and this is how it came out through the air drying. So I did try to like keep the parting space and stuff like that. It didn't come with any baby hairs. I did get the ear tapes wet, and I was like, I don't know if it's going to, adhesive is going to like stick because I did get it wet, but I think it actually does have a little thickness to it. I did go ahead and go in with my foundation and tint my lace per usual, and we'll see if I need to do it again. I don't know, we'll see. And then I think I'm just gonna go in and like just straighten this hair. So let's just go ahead and get started. I'm just gonna go ahead and take the tape off first on both sides. Super easy, super easy. I also do not have my additional elastic band that comes in this wig. I don't have it on. Sometimes I just don't like to have them on in my videos. Sometimes I feel like it pulls at the wig, so yeah. And I also already have like a smaller head anyway, so yeah. So I'm just taking this and pressing it down. And I'm gonna do the other side. So it does feel like it's sticking. Scissors, and I'm going to literally cut around this hairline. These wig units do come with a little bit of extra lace, so you would have to do a little bit of cutting, you guys. It's not like a perfect cut, so I would definitely take my scissors and cut the extras off. These scissors are e.l.f. I love their like little essential tools. I only use their tweezers to pluck my hairline. I don't use nothing else because I don't like anything else. But this actually comes in a kit on Amazon, so I was able to get my hands on a lot more tweezers and these little scissors here. So that's pretty much all that I'm going to do to this wig unit, you guys, in the front with the hairline. So here's my ear, and then here is my other ear, so that you guys could basically see that it definitely has a really good comfort fit. So I'm going to take my She Is Bomb. This is how I get like really flat installs. So if you guys want really flat hair, because I know sometimes these wig units can come like one side is flat and then the other side has a little volume at the root, you just need to take a wax stick and flatten it part by part basically. So that's what I'm about to do now.